I am afraid of failing, so I'm not even getting started on this patent. I hope you're not saying that or thinking it. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And fear of failure, fear of making a fool of yourself, it's human nature to feel that way. You don't want to be made a fool or to see that you have fallen short and you have permanent outcomes that are not, positive. But what you cannot do is remain stagnant. What you cannot do is not swing for the fences. Failure really is not falling short. Failure is never trying at all. Every inventor faces doubt, an entrepreneur as well. And I'm here to tell you today that your chance is right now. If you have an invention, if you have something that could change the world in a positive way, it's your duty to bring it about. And our team here at Bold Patents would be more than humbled to help you bring that product to market through patent protection. I've got 3 real-world proof examples of inventors, entrepreneurs that had these doubts themselves, just like you may do. And I want to get these stories out for you. Melanie Perkins, a company called Canva. I bet most of you have heard of Canva. It's an online platform where you can be a designer. You can create all sorts of different projects. Melanie was rejected by over 100 investors way back when she got started. But she kept going. She persevered. She filed and protected Canva's core systems with the patent office. And now today, Canva's worth billions. Melanie Perkins didn't avoid failure. She pushed through it. Another example, Dropbox. Drew Houston. Drew was mocked publicly for building just another file storage service. Early demos were criticized. He was up against the big giants, Google, Facebook, Microsoft. He protected the technology, encrypted this thing about encrypting software. And Dropbox took off, became a publicly traded company. So Drew Houston wasn't afraid of looking small, wasn't afraid of getting knocked down because he knew what he had was special. Number 3, Anne Wojcicki, 23andMe. If any of you signed up for this, I know I have, and found out enormous amounts of cool stuff about my genealogy, ancestry, and so forth. Anne faced regulatory setbacks and huge public scrutiny around privacy and regulations. The company stalled multiple times, but early patent filings and early IP kept the foundation of the company intact while the business model evolved. Anne was lucky. She didn't avoid setbacks. She built through them. So don't be afraid of failure. Know that it's coming. Know that failure is on the way. Little tiny failures, that is. The battles you might lose while you're proceeding to win the war. So don't give up before you get started. Let us be that hand to help you up and get started on this patent journey at boldpatents.com. Book a free discovery call today. Wishing you all an awesome one out there. Go big, go bold.